A very good afternoon from Travelwise SR. I'm in the village of Jangipara and in this lovely farmhouse which I had visited sometime in the month of November. And that time I had decided to come back every season to feel the place. And so, while I had taken you around the last time, this time let me show you the skyline instead. So all the trees that you have in front, all are coconut trees, full of them. And then you have the betel nut trees, a lot of them, and this one is one of the tallest ones. Let's see what else is there. Can't really make out from here, but yeah, lovely green. Now is the time when you see the leaves falling, because winter is just about over, and soon it will be hot and humid here in and around the villages and the cities of Bengal. As we walk out of a gate which is there right in front of us, you can see the banana trees. So around 15 of them, and even that side. Let's go around this tree and see the bananas. Today morning I saw one being cut and taken home by the owner of this place. There you have another bunch, but they are very young. And this one, it will take a few days more to grow. These are what we call here in Bengal Singapore kelas or Singapore bananas. What's the skyline that side? Okay, lots of trees. And here you have another coconut tree. Lots of green. And when you are here, you really feel the green rubbing on you. And as we walk a little bit, you have more banana trees, the mango trees there in the distance, the guava trees, the lemon trees, and this beautiful pond where I had done some fishing last time. And the skyline here again looks just awesome, beautiful. It's around 2:20 in the afternoon, and all you can hear are the birds, and probably you can see some of them flying around. A lovely farmhouse, and I love to come back here. This is my second time, and I'm sure going to be back here again. And so I leave you now. We can now see, no, these are not, yes, they are mango in the making. If you loved what you saw, do subscribe to our channel TravelWise SR. Thank you for watching and being with us. We'll be back again soon.